Hi everyone, I had to share this Pinterest inspired gift that I received today at work. It's from a dear colleague of mine. She actually had her students to help her create different gifts that she will be giving out at work. Mine was one of the first to be given. Again, I just had to share it, especially because she said my gift was mainly done by a student. How beautiful is this, you all? How beautiful. The mints inside are fruity mints. They look like they might be cinnamon or peppermint, but they're fruity mints, and I love that. Again, look at this Pinterest inspired gift that I received today at work. Simply beautiful. Simply beautiful. No, my initial has not changed. My first initial is K. But that does not matter to me at all. I love this, you all.